All right, we're back. So 1 hour into the car meet, and some people are already leaving, but it's not as busy as I thought. So I'm just gonna walk around real quick. Love this color.
I saw the guy with the hat with the gator. Don't know. Well, technically, but yeah, we were at the top of the parking garage.
It's going to be a probably weekly thing where the cops come out to support, just to avoid shenanigans from other groups in other towns. I don't want to go into details about that, but we're really close to a major city. Take your pick. Then following the channel, you know what I'm talking about. We're in College Station, so there you go. Howdy.
How's it going?
Pretty good. So I think we spoke earlier. Who was it? No, you're new. You're new. But you got a PR guy who's really good.
Yeah, Officer Simmons.
Simmons. Yeah.
He's right there. That's
cool.
The car over there.
All right. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. I told him, hey, come on down. I shot the video from last week. You guys did a really good job.
Oh, nice.
The officer who was doing I think that's him right there. He's doing it again. Did a great job. Yeah, Crispin did a great job. I interviewed him. He's on my YouTube channel.
Oh, nice. Okay.
So, and then we just put a link in the chat, and I also sent you guys a link to the video in your Instagram.
Oh, cool.
Oh, awesome.
So if you want to go check it out.
Yeah, I'll check it out.
Yeah, Officer Simmons would be the one to ask about that because
He's the liaison.
We love having good, like,
Yeah.
Look for us. Just look through my car. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Not good looking for us.
There he is. Yep, that's him.
And he ended up. Yeah, he ended up designing.
What's going on?
How are you?
Pretty good, pretty good. I'm still
All right.
recording. So yeah.
Nice.
So when did you want me to do the tactical shoot for that vehicle that you're sharing with Brian PD?
Great question.
I'll do it for free. I just need to know when.
Let me get with the SWAT commander.
Okay.
So that way we can go through all that and then.
You just reach out through my Instagram if you want, or I can give you my number and
And
go
I
from
just
there.
mentioned to Chief about hosting a car meet.
A what?
Car meet.
Really?
Oh,
Like,
yeah. Like CSPD hosting a car meet.
that would be amazing because I don't know of any other town that does that. Nobody is pro car meets.
He's all about it.
That'd be amazing because you saw what happened last Wednesday. All right, we're back. So sorry, we were talking with the local law enforcement about an incident that happened last Wednesday. I did record. I just didn't feel like publishing it on the channel. Anyways, I'm just gonna go ahead and just kill it right here because it's dying down. Plus, I'm gonna do a couple photo shoots with these cars and I'll post it then in this video. So go ahead and like and subscribe, and I'm out of here.